Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at 2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at a product made by MAONO. This is the world's first wireless dynamic microphone for podcasting. Now, what makes this unique as far as for this particular model, this is the PD200W. Now, it uses XLR, USB, and wireless 2.4 gigahertz for its connections. And best of all, it's going to give you 60 hours of run time. So that's a lot of performance all in one single charge on this microphone. Now, it is great for hosts, it is great for yourself, it is great for guests, whether you're at your desk or whether you're in an open scene. This has a lot of powerful features that are built into it. And where they have it priced right now, and especially for this type of technology and equipment, you're getting a lot of features for that professional feel for a bargain. So I cannot stress that enough. And in addition to that, you're cutting down the wires and you're keeping that dependability. So for me, that is value all on its own because it makes it really easy and convenient to move around and you still have that crystal clear audio. To top that off, right here on the top, I'm going to bring you guys in for a closer look so that way you kind of get a better feel as to what it is I'm working with. So stay tuned. Now, with this microphone in particular, it is very well constructed. Sturdy, ergonomical housing, incredibly rugged, and I absolutely love the design and the performance of it. So, and as you can see with our RGB lighting here, so that's 16.8 M as far as for the lighting capacity and capability. Fully customizable all through their application that they have, both available for the iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows. Now, best of all, this has 82 decibels of a signal to noise ratio with 128 decibel as well as for the sound pressure, giving you 30 millimeter of a capsule size. And you're going to be able to have that sample rate of 24-bit at 48 kilohertz. Talk about performance in a bargain. One of the other things to show you right here is right here on the top, the knob. This is going to be our microphone gain control. And then we also have the button. Once you press that, that is going to put it on mute. So I absolutely love the lighting effects, just so that way you have an idea actually what's happening with the microphone itself. Let's go ahead and re-engage that. So again, awesome performance for this product. And let's flip you around here on the back, just so we can see that here. So to cover some of the features right here on the back, we have our XLR plug. We also have our Type-C for the USB, and we have our headphone jack in. But what's also nice, this is my favorite feature right here. This is so that way you can mobilize and keep this thing 100% true wireless, and it is incredibly low latency. So that way it's going to give you accurate audio all the time. Now, I do want to show you the application, and we're going to dive in real quick, just so that way you can see some of the functionality of this. All right, so here we have jumped right into the application here. So it gives you some pretty basic setup right in the beginning, so that way you can kind of adjust your microphone gain, your headphone volume, you get your noise cancellation, and it's also going to tell you the output status, so we are connected to the computer. And if we go into our scene, this is going to give us some really customizable ranges when it comes to our equalizer. And you can go from podcasting. It's going to go ahead and start getting that configured. Again, fully customizable. It's got some presets, so that way if you want to get into the gaming side. And last but not least, we've got some music. Don't mind me. A little rusty, but anyways, this isn't what we're here about. You guys are wanting to know how well this actually works. And thing I also want to point out right here, so if you look right there, we've got our battery reading, which is fantastic. So that way you can also keep track of your battery life. And again, this is going to last you 60 hours. So if you're looking for an awesome product, you definitely got to give this thing a try. So let's jump you back out here. We have here the microphone boom arm with a total of a 70 centimeter retractable 120 degree vertical lift and 360 degree rotation. So this thing is going to give you virtually a universal fitment when it comes to your movement on the microphone itself. So I'm going to swing this out just so you guys can see here. There is a tremendous amount of play, and what I mean by 120-degree lift. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this. And we've got a vertical lift as well. Now, if you are looking for an awesome arm to virtually fit any kind of different universal setup, as you can see, I've got mine mounted right here on the shelf. It could be mounted onto the desk. It could be mounted to the wall. So a lot of different scenarios depending on how you have this clamped. So I'm going to move my headphones here, but just so you can kind of get an idea, this does have a bracket hanger that hooks right there on the bottom of it. It's going to cinch clamp down just like a vice grip. And best of all is it's designed for professional microphones. It's going to fit both a 3/8 inch shaft right there that goes in the microphone up to 5/8. So if you are looking for a great fitment, again, MAONO is one that I would recommend and highly check out because full metal constructed, and it's also designed to keep your cable management. So as far as my overall experience, I can honestly and personally recommend checking out MAONO. They have an awesome product line. They got fantastic items for a variety of different ways that you can use your audio needs, including your headphones and your hearing. So, looking for a microphone? Check this one out. Highly encourage, recommend it. Again, they've got some awesome products. I give them a tremendous shout out because they stand by their equipment. They know what the industry is looking for. And this is for the perfect scenario, whether you're an individual just starting out or a professional. Whatever the case of scenarios may be, give these guys a try. I guarantee it. Thank you all for watching. This is Dan here over at 2D2.